How do I enable admin approval on Messenger Group 2022? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable admin approval on Messenger Group in 2022. So without further ado, let's dive into this. First of all, open up your Messenger application on your mobile phone devices. Once you do that, you just have to go into any of your groups that have been made and you are the admin of that group. For example, I don't have much groups on Messenger, but I'll open up any group. So I have this group. Once I go into the top right corner of the screen in this notification, I just tap over it. I'll have this group info, and beneath that I'll have that C group members. So if I'm this means I'm not the admin of this group. If I'm the admin of this group, I'll just turn it or tap it, and once I get this, I can do it and I can add people randomly, and I can turn on the option that would have enable admin approval. So I'm not the admin, so it won't work like that right now, but I can still add people through this. So I hope this video was informative. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Till next time, peace.